Look at the almanac numbers for today in mind. At the high temperature topped off at 87 degrees, the record 103 in 1947, the low just 66.
And a balmy 92 degrees in Williston today, above that average with a low of 66 degrees. And now, Stephanie, we don't want to see the green.
Well, I guess I wore the wrong dress for tonight, but for the rest of the night, we have a small chance of storms throughout the whole state, but otherwise it's going to be partly cloudy with just a light wind and temperatures in the 60s. And then tomorrow, that chance of storms is going to continue throughout the day and into the night. But if you don't have any storms, it's going to be a nice day with sunny skies and not too much wind and temperatures in the 80s. And then this weekend, we'll probably be seeing some storms on Friday and into Friday night. Some of these storms could be severe, but after Friday, that chance of storms is going to drop off. We're just going to have a small chance after that, and sunny and mild temperatures below that average in the upper 70s and lower 80s. But right now in Magic City, things are starting to cool off. 77 degrees with the winds from the south-southwest at 13 miles per hour. And over in Williston, 71 degrees with a calm wind and a dew point of 59 degrees. Now let's take a look at some temperatures across the Mondack region. Right now in Medicine Lake, it's 77 degrees and 74 in Watford City, and moving to the north central, 74 in Glenburn, 73 in Animus, and 73 in Turtle Lake. Now let's take a look at some more temperatures across North Dakota. 72 over in Grand Forks, 71 in the capital city, and 66 in Dickinson. Now here's our radar and satellite. Right now, it looks like we have some storms just northwest of Minot. They could be coming through Minot. These storms are not severe. We have had reports of pea-sized hail, but other than that, these storms are not severe, and if they turn severe, we will be in here to cover them. But right now, here's our Precision Cast forecast model, and as I put it into motion tonight into tomorrow, it's probably going to stay dry and have a nice day tomorrow with temperatures in the 80s, but then tomorrow night into Friday, that's when we really start getting that chance of storms coming into the forecast. And throughout the day Friday, we'll probably be seeing some rain, possibly some storms, but then Friday into Saturday, we could be seeing some severe weather. As I put this into motion, you can see this moves right over the central part of the state, and with that red and that orange, we'll probably be seeing some strong storms. But then by Saturday, it looks like those storms are going to move out of the state, and we're going to have a nice weekend ahead of us. But for the rest of tonight, it looks like a nice night ahead of us with that slight chance of storms in the forecast. Otherwise, it's going to be partly cloudy with just a light breeze from the west-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then tomorrow looks like a nice day, but we do still have that small chance of storms. If you don't have those storms, though, it's going to be sunny and warm with just a light wind from the north at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now here's our harvest forecast. Tomorrow morning looks like a nice morning to be out on the fields. 64 degrees with just a light wind from the west-southwest, and then tomorrow afternoon looks like a nice one too. Not too hot at 82 degrees, but we do have that slight chance of storms throughout the day and just a light wind. Now here's our 7-day forecast. Friday into Friday night, we'll probably be seeing some storms, possibly severe, but after that, looks like we have a nice weekend to look forward to, and it's not going to be too hot.
And what we're learning here is a slight chance of storms, meaning we may get isolated storms as we're finding out through all of this. So
like the 20% chance we had just now.
We'll just have to keep our eyes open on the sky. I think that's what it's coming down to.
Yep. Thanks, Stephanie.